revolution. I call it revolution.
This is Jonak, and I'm here with and we want to speak to you briefly about the power of the dream. So, guess where we are? Check this out. Port of Saint-Tropez, southern France. So we're on a yacht. Tell us about this.
This is actually very exciting because we've been dreaming about sailing in like this since probably in the early 20s, probably 22, 23 years old. My wife over here, Hilda, she just turned 30, and me myself just turned 25 for the 10th time. And we're in just the days of our life, and I can tell you this: dreams do come true, because this is about dreams coming true. Because we've been dreaming, we've been seeing it, and the thing is, to see something, you first gotta think it. So I remember walking into this city thinking that I'm gonna be on a yacht like that one day. And then I saw all the people sailing in, like we're just about to do now, Art.
Right.
And I called you and said, you gotta come and see this. You gotta come to Europe. You gotta come to Saint-Tropez and see it. Because when you see it, you get the courage to start believing it. But there is two kinds of belief. It's the kind of belief where you think, you hope, it might, it could. But there is another kind of belief which I'm talking about, and that's when you get the certainty that you can do it. Because the minute you believe in certainty, I think you're given the power to achieve it. That means that you're given all the resources, all the ideas, all the contacts, all the systems, all the people around you, all the leaders, all the skills that you need to achieve your dream. So this is one of my dreams, Hilda's dreams coming true, and I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for your dream to happen. And you, in fact, you'll always be closer than you think, because when you're in network marketing, you're never more than one person away from your very next breakthrough. So I'm going to give it back to you, Art, and say, what do you think?
I think the boat's turned around, so we might be in the shadow right now, so we're going to take you to the front of the boat so you can see what it looks like to pull into the Saint-Tropez port from this side. So we'll be right back.
Let's run.
So now we're on the front, of course, of the yacht, and as Oren was saying, he called me up and he said, Art, you have to check out Saint-Tropez. I said, well, it sounds really exciting. He said, no, you have to see it. So then, what, about a year later, or maybe it was 2 years later, I came down here with Orion, and we were up there in the harbor, that you'll see over here, and we were looking at all these amazing yachts.
And I mean, look at this. Look at these boats. Blue water. And we're sailing in here. And it's just so exciting. It's really just getting...
And you have to say, well, where did all these people have these yachts? I mean, this is one after another, after another, after another, after another. And we're sitting there in the harbor. We're really excited because we had a great hotel. We were able to go to a Club 55. We had to, pretty expensive. And we thought we'd really arrived until we started to see these yachts. And then he had a brilliant idea. He said we should just get one.
And I think that must be first time I said it was probably 6 years ago and said we should really get on one of those, and we want to sail in like this. And the thing that happens when you think that thought is that you start a creating process, so that what you're seeing is becoming more believable to you. And when you believe that and you have that certainty, you just one day call up our Jonak and you say, let's go.
Come on down. So of course we came down, and this has been an incredible experience.
Yeah,
Talk about dream building.
And of course you call up some of the friends too, so just
Turn
a
around.
few people.
See who else is behind you? Say hello.
Yeah!
Hey! Hey!
Hello, Art.
So the gap between where you are now and then where you're going to go is called the dream. And of course, Oren Woodward, we're going to see him in a couple of weeks here up in Norway. And that's what he defines as that, where you are and where you want to go. So how big is that gap? And that's the gap between, we've defined your dream.
And that's dream and that's hunger. And I think that if you can increase that dream, increase that hunger, and create that gap just a little bit bigger, you can go there much faster than you ever thought you could. And we're just now going to enjoy these minutes, and we're not going to teach, because I've been waiting for this moment for 10 years, and I'm just going to go in the back, enjoy it, and play cool. Because when you get your deep dream, please be cool.
Be cool. So we're going to just keep videotaping for you and show you what it's like to actually pull in.
And I'm going to get this back there.
Woohoo!
So hard for you to come and visit me here. I understand.
And of course, when you pull into Saint-Tropez, you have to have the tunes. He's not saying anything.
Har du kamera? Bilde? Nej, det måste ha den.
Det er veldig hyggelig. Nå ligger vi altså midt på
Alright, so this is what you can see behind us. Pulling into Saint-Tropez. All smiles.
Pasta eller pass?
People are so close up. Like,
Paparazzi.
if you'll watch. Yeah, I'm not sure if I like that.
Just for the oil paper. discovered that we're not used to it.
So eventually I just want to get in your face. You gotta make your dreams come true.
Revolution. I call it revolution.
You're on a Mangusta, thinking you're doing pretty good, and then all of a sudden you look over your bow and you say, whoa, you can just dream more. Work harder, right? Work harder.
Let's work harder.
Work harder too. The French word has to make it look good. You think one is good, but no, they have to have two. See, there's another one back there.